Can you say turtle? Can you say turtle? Boop, 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 boop.
I wonder if she put them in 2 fingers, if it would stay in there.
Let's see.
I don't know if it'd be harder to manipulate.
You got such tiny little fingers.
You want to put your fingers in here?
What time to put them away? They're going to sleep.
Yeah, all these free bags that you get when you get makeup at the stores. I have so many of them now. I'm like, found some use for them to put like her little tiny stuff in it.
There's a frog. There's a bunny. Hopped right over.
Oh.
Peanut. What's that, Peanut? Yeah, a little moose. Moose. Can you say moose?
Hello. Hello. Thank you. Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you?
Ribbit. 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 You want to do the bunny?
Is that an elephant? What does an elephant do? You change the channel? Turn off CNN for today?
She's like, I would like my music on.
I know. She once looked up. She
Okay.
goes, "That's not what we have on."